Starting at 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Deer Creek. So one thing you should know that your potable water is not at the dump station. So they're at these kind of different different spots around the park. And so thankfully some are on one side and some are on the other. But if you came on like a 4th of July weekend,
it's packed.
Yeah, and it's packed. This might get a little chaotic. I feel like we should have a fight with these tonight. Let's see what this is giving. Oh,
let me hit you with one. Let me get my correct stance.
Now
this I used to do when I ain't gonna hit you, boo.
I know you will.
This I used to do when I was like 13. I was a bad pitcher. I said,
first of all, your aim is horrible.
Don't know you?
My aim is better than you when we had the water balloon fight.
Picking the table.
Okay.
Look at me.
No, I got to aim on the ball.
Boom! Oh, what you got to say now? Told you I still got it. That was 100 miles an hour.
You made that up. All right, my turn.
All right, that's the one. Yeah, I knew you ain't got it. I knew you ain't got it.
Hi, Glam fam. So we got into our spot. It's a little bit of a hill.
We're getting ready to go visit the lodge.
Are we going to the lodge?
Yeah.
Oh, they got plans on those.
There's not many campgrounds that got a lodge, so we're grateful for that.
Okay, so I guess we'll visit the lodge. I can show you the site. It is on a hill. And I feel a little deceived because when I looked at the picture, it didn't have all of this. What is this?
Cattails.
Cattails. My baby country, he knows about this stuff. So I didn't know about the cattails. So we don't really have a view of the water. But I'll show you around because it is really, really pretty. To the playground. The kids seem to be having a good time. Lots of stuff to do. There's a zip line. She can see Nova going across. You can hear her. What do you like about the playground, baby?
I haven't seen a merry-go-round in a long time, like a working merry-go-round.
Yeah.
So I want to do that.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Get on the merry-go-round.
Merry-go-round on deck. You wanna hop in?
I think that we need 3
Okay. Oh.
Go ahead, dude.
Cannonball!
Woo! Dang. Yeah, that's how I'm.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard enough. All I wanted was to break you off. Yeah, you wrecked me.
I got a break.
You get the brakes.
I got your brakes, dude.
Don't you?
You're too tall, babe. Watch out, baby. He's coming back.
I'm out. So today we are going to do the storybook trail, and there's a lot of trails you could do, and there's Lakeview ones, and there's yeah, there's all sorts of trails. But today we're going to do the storybook trail, and hopefully it'll be really fun. It says you had to go right here. No, it says hello bookworm. Hello bookworm.
Did you know you can exercise your mind?
We gotta go here. We gotta go here. That's the way. It says.
And body at Ohio State Parks. This interactive trail is lined with pages from Drop, an adventure through the water cycle.
That word in science stands for vocabulary.
What's the word?
Precipitation.
All right.
And it means when the water goes down to the ground. What three ways can you use water?
To shower.
I hate shower.
We know.
To drink like this.
I got one. For the toilet.
Good one.
What about me? What about me? Mama, Sita, water.
That's not what
To swim.
Now pop off the ground into the. 3, 2, 1. If it goes on a tree, then it is decaying the plant, and then it'll rotten.
So this tree's gonna die one day.
Yep. And then and you know the where that goes to the water. Then the water goes to sky. Then the water goes to clouds. Then it drip over here, and it get flowers.
That's right.
To
Yep.
me, that's fun.
Good job, weather girl.
Then the water comes. Then
Then it freezes.
a hexagon. Then it turns to.
Come on.
Then it makes snow. Then when it says the snow gets bigger and bigger, then it falls down. Then it'll be winter.
Yep.
And about 80% of the Earth's fresh water is glaciers.
Ooh.
And the snow gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Then to make a snowman with the snow. Then you roll it and then you make a snowman.
I love it. I love snowmen. Do you want to build a snowman?
We made it!
And that's when.
That's when.
A whole new adventure begins.
All right, so we finished the storybook trail. Ava, what'd you think?
I think it was good because you would get to learn the water cycle and some stuff I didn't even know about.
Yeah, me too. It's about the cycle, like the journey of a water, like a water drop, the cycle of a water drop.
It can go
Which is really
anywhere.
cool.
It can go anywhere.
And you also learned about like how that tied into Ohio, which is good.
Awesome storybook trail.
And water goes inside of you because water goes inside a fruit and then you eat the fruit. And then you can drink water.
And there you have it. Hey, Glam fam. What city are we in?
We're in Mount Sterling, Ohio.
Here at Deer Creek.
Yeah, so we're getting ready to check out Larry's Pizza. So the little boy at the campground had already told us it's the best pizza ever. So we're a pizza family.
He's got a mullet too, so if he lying, I'm gonna pull his mullet.
That was disgusting. No, you're not. I'm gonna go good. Yo, I'm gonna do like.
Stay focused. We gotta focus on pizza.
Okay,
So-
yeah, we right. You right. Okay.
So we're gonna go try the pizza. Little mullet boy. No, I can't say little mullet boy. That's mean. The little boy said that the pizza was the best ever. So we're gonna go. Ava's
Everybody know it's La Rosa's and Milano's.
So
find out.
we're gonna find out and see if it is the best pizza ever. You ready, Nova?
What if it ain't? I'm getting that little boy.
No, you're not.
Spending my hard-earned money on pizza. So right. Take it easy.
Yeah, she's at that stage. Mommy turn.
You go, baby. Your turn.
Hold on, let me wave it to you.
I got this nice pizza. Little boy at the campground. He's our neighbor. He said Larry is the best pizza on earth. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna see.
All right.
See if he knows what he's talking about.
I don't think it is.
Is it the best pizza on earth, Nova?
The cheese is good.
Yes. Oh, Nova say yes.
It's good.
It's pretty good. All right, I got the Hawaiian. It's hot.
Probably the third best.
Oh, all right.
It's good.
So we're at the Mount Sterling Memorial Park, and it is ODNR, I guess, run, and it's a newer park, so they've kind of put a lot of new stuff and playgrounds into it. Looks like about 3 baseball fields, a basketball court, and it's got a lot to offer. It looks really nice. They've got a dog trail, a walking trail for people to go around. So it looks good. Soccer area. So if you have kids like us who kind of want to get out, maybe break away from the campground, or you just want to adventure out, this is a good spot to kind of go to for the kids to kind of run around and you can relax. Because we need to relax. What is that, David? I probably should look at what I'm touching before I touch it, huh? But you want to touch some squirrel, babe?
Yes.
Ew, let's stink. Let's stink.
What is that, velvet? That's nasty. Coyote.
Coyote.
Oh, yeah, I've seen it. Where is it?
Okay, but this is just a snake, honey. For everybody wondering, I don't do snakes. And this is exactly why. Like, look how wide this jaw gets. No, I'm good. Look, look. Nope. Oh, look at little blackberry.
There he is.
Hi, little turtle. Over here, nope, I'm good.
Look.
Oh, quick, you know.
You thought it was a snake, didn't you?
Oh, Lord.
Leopard.
You know what? Whew.
I'm scared.
Y'all.
Got you good, didn't you? You scared now for sure. You scared?
Look, the turtle like, don't do that no more.
Yeah. Look at the turtle.
He said, don't do that no more.
Wow.
That ain't cool.
If I could. My back is messed up.
Better not do the worm.
Better not do the worm.
Honey, honey, ha, ha.
Not like that.
Wow.
That's all I got.
The dogs look thoroughly confused. Before we kind of pack up and leave today. So we're walking around. So far we've seen 2 gaga pits, kind of some big picnic tables. The activity center is closed. They don't have any activities, obviously, since it's considered winter. And they've got a huge bonfire pit they'll probably light some wood on.
There's a volleyball, the net's kind of sinking over there. You see this volleyball?
Yeah. What were you saying about the launch pads?
I'm thinking it's a good place to launch a drone,
Yeah.
but I can't see anything else. I mean, could it be for helicopters? I don't know.
I don't know.
I mean, I guess it's big enough for a helicopter. But
Yeah. Pickleball
pickleball and gaga.
and gaga.
The same box.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
All right, we found a hidden trail. Let's check it out.
Hey, Nova, come back. What you doing?
How you feel about raccoons, babe?
Oh, I hate raccoons. I would never ever like raccoons ever in my life.
You don't think they're fluffy?
Hey, They stole my Father's Day cake.
You know what? We're going to have to
Took it
put that
off
on the top 5 fiascos of this year.
Took it right off the table in front of me.
Hey, Dad. Can I put it in your pocket?
Yes.
Again. Where you see raccoon
Boulders?
tracks at?
All these raccoons, see them? Like that's a raccoon track. I'll show you some really good ones. You see, some really good ones. There's a lot of raccoon tracks.
Well, Daddy, look, I found you coconuts.